Hi. I am Mr. ERP, let's see what an ERP is. We respond to the customer's request for an offer. To prepare it, we can use the help of the technology that prepared the price calculation for us. If everything goes well, the customer orders the product, which we confirm for him, but the necessary quantities and times are given by the production management. Then the process continues in two directions. On the one hand, with the help of material requirement planning, we calculate the raw material requirement, which acquired. What is arrives in our warehouse, where we file the delivery note. On the other hand, production manufactures the product in cooperation with the technology, so that the materials circulate between the production and the warehouse until the finished product is completed, which we deliver to the customer with the delivery note issued by us. Finance supervises the entire process from above by filing invoices issued and received, and by recording payments and income.